Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. This video, I want to teach you guys how to grow your small trading account, okay? The way we trade small trading account is different from how we approach other trading accounts like Profit account and other bigger large fund accounts, okay? Because as a trader, what I'm interested is high probability trading setup because I want a situation whereby at least 60% to 80% of all the trade I'm going to take is going to be a winning trade because of the nature of the account type we are managing, okay? Now, small trading account differs to some people. There are some people account that is less than $100 is small trading account. Account less than $50 is small trading account. While there are some others $500 to $1,000. Irrespective of your account size, we are still going to use the same system to grow the account. Okay. Now this system is what I've used for years, and I'm still using it today, and it's working 100%. Not just for me, both my students that are trading alongside with me. This system works, guys, and I'm going to give you guys all the rules and everything you need for you to apply it to your own account. Okay. Now, first of all, the broker you are going to use matters a lot. Okay. We need a broker that give us enough leverage for us to trade a small account. For example, if you want to trade an account size of $5, $10, $20, $50, you need a good leverage of at least 1:500 and above. And one of the broker I'm going to recommend is this one here. I'm going to drop the link in the description part of this video. Okay, you click on it to register with them and then select the maximum leverage. Of course, I can recommend you guys to select the maximum leverage so that we can be able to execute multiple trades on our trading account. Okay, now when I mention multiple trades, some people are going to think that we are going to flip account. We are not flipping account. Okay, our risk is very minimal, at least $5 per day or $10 maximum. But there's a way I'm going to teach you guys a risk management approach, okay, so that we can execute multiple trades, risking minimal risk, and then aiming big reward in the market. Okay, so this SNet broker is what I'm recommending for you guys. I will drop the link in the description part of this video. Use it to register to sign up. The next thing I want to talk about is the strategy we want to use, because remember what I told you guys, we need a high probability setup so that we can be able to win more trades. Okay, now in order for us to frame high probability setup, okay, this is what I'm going to show you guys. Right, first of all, make sure you are on daily time frame. Okay, remember we are day traders, so as a day trader you work with your daily time frame a lot. Okay, now on this daily time frame we want to trade each of these individual daily candles, okay, the direction of each of these days. All right, but this is what I want to give you guys, because if you take a look at my chart, you will see there are two different directions here: bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish. Although I will show you guys how to frame direction, but what I want to lay emphasis on is we want to focus on only one side of the market. Okay, for example, we want to focus on consecutive bullish days or consecutive bearish days. All right, I want you guys to take note of that information very well. Okay, remember I told you guys we are interested in high probability setup so that we can be able to grow our account easily. All right, so we want to focus on only one side of the market, and that side of the market we want to focus on, it has to be on the order flow. All right, the side of the order flow, institutional order flow. Institutional order flow is very, very simple. What is the market structure on this daily time frame? That is how to frame institutional order flow. Okay, for example, if I zoom out on this chart very well, you agree with me that the institutional order flow on this daily time frame is bullish. You can easily draw it like this. Okay, the institutional order flow is bullish. All right, very, very simple. Now, since the institutional order flow is bullish, we will pay attention to only the buy side of the market, only the bullish direction of the market. Okay, what that actually means is that when the market is retracing here on this daily time frame, okay, we won't do anything in the market. We wait for the retracement to be over. Okay, and when the market is ready to move in alignment with the institutional order flow, that is when we start going in on daily basis, look for our entry, take the trade, close the trade in profit. The next day, look for entry, go in on the move. The next day, look for our entry, go in on the move. The next day, look for entry, go in on the move, and so on and so forth. The reason why we want to trade in alignment with the order flow is because we want a stress-free trade, okay? We don't want to stress ourselves. We don't want a situation whereby the market will consolidate. We don't want a situation, because when you are trading against the flow, even though you can be right, like the direction can be right, but it takes a lot of effort, a lot of energy before you can win that trade. So we want a situation whereby we are in alignment with the order flow. Okay, for example, this is what I'm talking about. This is a normal bullish order flow on any time frame. Okay, so when the market is moving to the upside like this, going to the upside, this is when we want to start looking for entry on daily basis. Each day we come to the market, we look for entry. It will be easy to trade each of these days. Now, when the retracement starts on this market, I'm on last 100 right here. So what you do, this is what advice I always give to people. What you do, you ignore all this move here. In fact, you can even look for another currency pair or another asset you want to trade that is in alignment with the order flow. At this point, that this market is no longer in alignment. Okay, so meaning we look for another market that maybe in the bullish direction, okay, let's say in the bearish trend, that the market is done with the retracement, and then we want to start pulling to the downside here. on this daily time frame. Okay, it's as simple as that. Okay, so you can go from pair to pair, asset to asset, but I strongly recommend you stick to one pair. You can just wait for the retracement to be over, and then at this point, this is where we want to get on the move here. Example is something like this, something like this. This is where we want to get on the move. All right, and how do we get on that move? The moment we see that there's a reversal here. Okay, reversal is just when a green candle closes above a black candle. It's as simple as that. When we see a reversal at this point, that signifies a change of direction, meaning that the retracement may be over. Remember the word I use, maybe. Okay, how do we know? How can we not be very sure that retracement is fully over when we not have the next day closes bullish? Once we have these 2 days, these two green candles, that means we are set. Make sure you wait for these 2 green candles before you start riding the trend. But you can anticipate it, all right? You don't just want to wait for this reversal and then just go in with full risk. It can be very, very risky, all right? Because if you take a look at this kind of scenario, the market reversed here, but started trading to the downside. So this is like a confirmation of reversal for the market to start pushing to the upside. Okay. Then we know that every day as we come into the market, we are looking for entry, looking for entry, looking for entry. Now, how do we get this entry? This is very, very important. Remember, we are trading a small account size. For example, let's say you have $20 account, or let's say you have $50 account. Okay. It's very, very simple. This is what I do. Okay. I trade Euro USD or GBP USD. So what I do, I want to risk just $5 on that account. Okay. As I risk $5 per day, risking that $5, I'll be aiming for at least $15 or $20 for a start. Okay. And when my trade eventually hit target, okay, let's say I made that $20, then my account has grown from $50 to $70. Then the next day, as I come into the market, I'll be going in with $10 and then be aiming for $30, $40 or $50. So at this point, my account has grown from $50 to $120, and I just risk only $5 the first day, risk $10 the second day. You see, this is how you keep compounding it from $20 profit target to $50 profit target, from $50 profit target to $100 profit target, and so on and so forth. You get to a point whereby your profit target will be $200, your profit target is $300, $500, and then you keep compounding the account, keep growing it, keep growing it, keep growing it. Anytime the account, maybe you hit a stop loss, okay? So what you just need to do is you reduce the risk, you just keep reducing the risk until you are back to winning streak, okay? But this is how I do it, to be on a safer side. That's why I said trade when the market is in alignment with the order flow, okay? Like as I was showing you guys on the chart right now, everyone that's looking for a buying opportunity on this asset class have higher chances. Like after this reversal right here, you see, what you just need to do is, like after this reversal right here, this is the current state of the market. What you just need to do is wait for the confirmation, a new candle to close here, or you can even be anticipating this buy, okay? Waiting for price to come and take out this high. That's how we do it on daily time frame order flow from one cycle of the market to the other. And I want you guys to replicate this result, okay? Because this thing works. I've used it. It's what I'm still using today, okay, guys? This thing can help you guys to grow your small trading account. It can help you guys to pass your profit account. I'm giving it to you guys free so that you guys can grow this year 2025, okay? And for those of you that want to join our mentorship teams where you can trade alongside with me on weekly basis, there's a link in the description part of this video. Click on it and then you have access to my WhatsApp link. Okay, we send your enrollment details. You will be with us in our VIP trading room, okay, where we trade every week, and you learn every of this information on the VIP mentorship courses. Okay, if you are new here, make sure you subscribe to this channel, turn your notification button on, because every week we come up with great content to help you guys, level up on this trading space. All right, I'll see you guys next upload. Peace.